This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. On today's video, we're going to be making arch valances in both face frame and European styles. First, let's start off with the face frame style. Make a 100-inch wall. Let's place a cabinet on that wall. I'm going to use just an upper cabinet, and let's make it about 36 inches. Now let's go to our elevation screen and click on the cabinet. And now what we need to do is remove the parts that we do not need. Since this is going to be just a valance, all I'm going to need is just the top rail. So let's remove the openings and rollouts. Change that to open. Go to shelves. Remove our shelves. Go to our cabinet standards. Under construction methods 2, let's remove our top. Under backs, let's remove our back. And now we can go to view and delete boards and just delete everything we don't need, which is going to be our bottom rail, bottom, left style, left panel, right style, right panel, and our nailers. And now we can go back to done and go to cabinet standards again, go to our rails, and this is where we can actually put the arch in there for the valance. Let's do an upward arch, and let's make our top rail to be, let's say, 8 inches. We'll make our arch depth, or the distance from the top of that top rail to the top of the arch, to be about 4 inches. And for a little extra flair, let's go in from the left and in from the right. Let's say 3.5 inches. And then when I apply that to the cabinet, I now have my arched valance that I can put in between my windows. Let's save this to my library so I don't need to rebuild it. Go to Save to Library. And we're going to call this Arched Valance Face Frame. And that's it. That's all you need to do for face frame. Now let's go ahead and create our valance in our Euro style construction. Let's go ahead and draw our wall. And let's place our cabinet. And again, make it about 36 inches wide. And let's go to our elevation screen and click on that cabinet to customize it. Now this is going to be done differently than face frame because of the fact that there is no face frame to modify in a Euro style cabinet. So what we have to do is we have to create this into a door and then modify the top rail of that door. So let's go to view and delete boards and go to Wainscot Panel. That's going to remove everything that we need, just leaving us with only a door. Go to openings and rollouts. Click on that opening to modify it. And let's go to adjust for opening number 1. Let's change our panel style to frame only, no panel. Let's remove the check mark next to French lights. And then go to our other standards. We can modify that information. Before we do though, let's change our basic style to be a cathedral style top. Then go back into our other standards. And let's modify the information. Our left and right styles are going to be 0, and same thing with our bottom style. Let's adjust our top rail width to be 8 inches again. You can make this whatever you want it to be, but I'm going to stick with 8 inches. Let's set our arch depth to 4 inches. And click on OK. OK again. One last time. And OK again. And that leaves us with our arch valance that we can place in between 2 cabinets. And that's all you need to do. One extra step that was not shown in the video is taking the cabinet, going back to the place cabinet screen, clicking on the cabinet to edit it, and then going to adjust the depth of the cabinet from 3/4 of an inch to something like 10 inches. So that way the arch valance appears further out on the wall. Let's go ahead and save this to our library again. Save to library. We're going to click on where it says Arched Valance Face Frame, and let's change face frame to Euro. And that's the only information that needs to be changed. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 209-836-4077. We're more than happy to help out. Thank you again, and I hope you have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.